VRRP stands for Virtual Router Redundancy Protocol. It is a network protocol that provides high availability by allowing multiple routers to work together in a group, presenting themselves as a single virtual router. The primary purpose of VRRP is to ensure continuous network connectivity in case of a failure in one of the routers. Key features and concepts of VRRP include 1. Virtual router. In a VRRP setup, multiple routers form a virtual router by sharing a virtual IP address. This virtual router serves as the default gateway for devices on the local network. Clients communicate with the virtual IP address, and the VRRP routers work together to manage the traffic. 2. Master and backup routers. Within the VRRP group, one router is elected as the master, and the others act as backup routers. The master router is the one actively forwarding traffic, while the backup routers are on standby, ready to take over in case the master fails. 3. Priority and preemption. Each router in the VRRP group is assigned a priority value. The router with the highest priority becomes the master. In the event of a tie, the router with the highest IP address becomes the master. Preemption refers to the ability of a higher priority router to regain the master role once it becomes available again. 4. Advertisement messages. VRRP routers exchange advertisement messages to inform each other of their status. These messages are sent at regular intervals to confirm the health of the routers in the group. If a router stops receiving advertisement messages from the master router, it assumes that the master has failed and may take over as the new master. 5. Virtual MAC address. In addition to the virtual IP address, VRRP uses a virtual MAC address associated with the virtual router. The virtual MAC address allows devices on the local network to communicate with the virtual router as a single entity. 6. IPv6 support. VRRP supports both IPv4 and IPv6. For IPv6 networks, it operates similarly but uses IPv6 addresses. VRRP is commonly used in scenarios where network downtime must be minimized. For example, it is often implemented in the distribution layer of a network to provide redundancy for the default gateway. If the master router fails, one of the backup routers can quickly take over, ensuring uninterrupted connectivity for devices on the local network. It's worth noting that there are other protocols with similar purposes, such as HSRP and GLBP. The choice between these protocols often depends on the specific requirements and the networking equipment in use.